Well, this is a Medeco Biaxial that Kokomo Lock sent to me about 6 weeks ago, and just now getting around and playing with it. It is only a 4-pinner, you can tell from that, and also from the key. We can get it to focus for us. So we got pretty good bitting, and it does work. And I have picked it about an hour ago, and it's the first Medeco I've ever picked in my life. And I was so excited that I ended the video before I did a gutting, and so everybody knows that's a mistake. So let's see if we can't pick it again, and this time I'll try to remember to gut it. The last time I picked it, it took me 40 minutes. But I learned a lot of lessons, and I think we can probably, I hope, save a little bit of time here. What I did learn is that pin 3 has to be turned all the way to the left, and he doesn't like to do it. So and pin 4 is very picky about placement. And to be honest, they all are. Okay, let's just see if we got those by some freak of luck. And the answer would be no. So we'll give it another shot. Come on, 3. No. I'm able to tell that I have either hit the false gate or I've overset him, because the follow-on pins are still springy after I think I've got them set. So I've learned that is a good sign that we're in a false gate. We got a good false set out of that one. Let's see if we can make something out of it though. And there we go, picked. Alright, so now we are not going to screw up by turning the video off. leave that in camera and get the vise out of the way. Get everything out of here. And get everything we need, which I have left over from the last time. Put them right there. What I'm going to try to do is remove these screws, and I checked this is the right size before we began this. It's amazing how much you remember the second time. Oops. Crap, there went a spring. Okay, we got the spring. I probably should lock this back up. Let me zoom this out so you don't miss anything. I'm going to lock this back up so all the pins come out now. Come out of there, you devil. I don't know. I've never done it. Let me see if we maybe put the key in and that will push them out. There's one. Okay, we're on the right path. There we go. Now we're starting to get headway. Alright, so that is pin 4. So let's put him in the right spot. And it looks like a normal pin. And the angled pin. Alright, well, we're partway there. Try not to let it spring out this time. There we go, that one's a little neater. Oh, put that back in camera. Plug, normal upper. Got my spring, and then angled. Okay, starting to figure out a system now. Oh, we probably got a mushroom spool. Yeah, man. And the angled pin. And the last one. The spring. Like another spool. Oops. Spring, plug. Looks like a spool, mushroom spool, and then the bottom pin. So here we go. Hope you can make this out. This is what gave me a couple of nightmares. These spin up to 20 degrees plus or minus inside of the cylinder. And of course these are angled, and there's a real gate which you see there, and then there's a false gate, which is what you get caught in if you don't get it to the right angle, and I've spent a lot of time in those false gates. So anyway, there we got, I guess, if you can call these normal pins for Medecos on the bottom, all of them have the grooves and the little nib. We have 2 mushroom spools, one normal, or actually 2 normal, and this is looks like a steel pin. So there you go. Medeco Biaxial picked. Anyway, thanks for your time. Everybody stay safe, stay legal.